If you have been doing dropshipping for a while, you pretty much know that it's not about the product. Sometimes it's not about your website. It's not about your logo, your branding. Sometimes it's about how engaging your content is, and a WordPress theme plays an important role. So in today's conversation, I want to review Woodmart WordPress. It's actually a premium WordPress theme that works pretty well alongside WooCommerce to help you easily set up an online store. So we're talking here about really boosting your dropshipping store, your dropshipping business to the next level. What we love about Woodmart is that it's pretty customizable. I mean, it has it has a constellation of features and capabilities, but the customizability part of it is really what makes it stand out. So is Woodmart a good theme? Of course, yes. It's a great theme for e-commerce stores, especially if you are trying to engage in dropshipping. Wonderful. Woodmart enables you to easily create your store and display your products, and the theme is super responsive and extremely customizable and easy to use overall. So when you think about UX, fantastic. You think about UI, fantastic. And the Woodmart theme is pretty fast too. I mean, the engineers at Woodmart WordPress, they have actually made sure that they have actually tested the tool several times to make sure that overall, whether you are talking about mobile or desktop or tablets, the theme is really fast. And a lot of people have asked us as we're preparing for this show whether or not Woodmart is legit. Yes, this is a legit theme that is made by a legit company. Everything is a legit. Okay, if you're trying to really boost your dropshipping business to the next level, you really want to consider Woodmart. And so the thing is, you have to import Woodmart if you really want to test the tool to make sure that you're comfortable with it. It's really easy. You just want to download the demo zip files after you have bought the theme. You want to sign on to your website admin panel on WordPress. You have to go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, Upload Theme, and that's it. Like nothing really complicated. I mean, okay, you don't need to have a coding experience. You need to have like a PhD in computer science. It's pretty easy. And what we love about this theme is that we love the SEO part of it. We love that you have a lot of integrations that are part of the Woodmart capability. So this is really good. So this plugin is really fantastic, especially if you are, let's say you are in a dropshipping business that is like if you're in a dropshipping niche that are constantly evolving, you will love Woodmart. I want to quickly talk about the pros and cons. Nothing is perfect in this life, so I want to quickly. So if you think about Woodmart, here are the pros I want you to think about. It's very easy to install. Okay, it's very effortless, very simple. Nothing complicated. When we did it, it took about 9 minutes, 9 to 12 minutes. Very easy. The theme itself is very responsive. Okay, it includes all necessary elements for e-commerce sites. Doesn't matter whether you have Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Big Cartel, Magento, Wix, whatever. You are able to actually have this theme as an add-on or as a plugin. So this is kind of cool. It is extremely customizable. So I think I kind of insisted on the bespoke aspect of this tool. Just fantastic. We'll love it a lot. And the vast majority of reviews online are positive, including our own. I mean, we have tested this tool several times for ourselves, but also on behalf of clients. And the results, my God, they were really positive. And the Woodmart team actually is constantly updating the tool. So this is kind of cool. You know, the thing is when you have a tool and you have a team behind it and the team really believes in it and it's constantly bringing they're constantly releasing new patches. This is really cool. And you have great support. You have excellent compatibility. You have hundreds of free demos and templates. So you have an opportunity to actually test the tool to make sure that you're comfortable with it. You have actually tested all the capabilities. You've tested all the modules before you actually buy it. Okay. So this is kind of cool. So overall, fantastic tool. We love the fact that you're able to get support if needed. What about the cons? Now we have seen that there were some bugs here and there, but again, overall, this is not really this is not a deal breaker. The only thing I want to say here is that you really want to spend time around the demo to make sure you're comfortable with all the tools, all the capabilities, all the functionalities before you actually buy the real thing. Okay, before you actually download the real theme, make sure you spend some time, maybe a day or two, depending on your expertise level, and once you have that, you should be pretty good to go. But this is a great theme. This will actually revive your dropshipping business. This will draw in, will boost conversions, will boost sales, will boost revenue. Great deal overall. I want to quickly talk to you about the features. So when we talk about Woodmart, the thing is that when you have a theme, when you have a WordPress theme, you have to look at the features, because the features are really what constitute the, I would say, the competitive edge of a theme, right? So on Woodmart, you have insane customizability. It's just amazing. The bespoke features, whatever you can do with a tool, it's just fantastic. So the level of customization you get with Woodmart is one of the best benefits that come with this WordPress theme. First of all, customizing your website is quick and easy. The intuitive dashboard lets you instantly make changes to various aspects of your e-commerce site. Second, you can customize a variety of different features, including fonts, colors, logos, separate sections, headers, and so on. And the advanced header optimization tools let you create a unique header that easily catches the attention of the majority of visitors. So especially if you have visitors coming from multiple geographies, like let's say multiple countries, multiple continents, you will love the fact that Woodmart is able, helps you customize things. And lastly, once you try the theme for yourself, you can see how far its customizability actually goes, okay? And you have different page layouts. You have a drag and drop header builder, which is really good. And you also have the Woodmart plugin support. So when we talk about the plugin support, we're speaking about a support system that actually covers a lot of tools. We have Elementor, we have WooCommerce, we have a WP Bakery Builder, we have a Revolution Slider, we have Docan, WPML, W3 Total Cache, Contact Form 7, Yoast, MailChimp, Press, WooCommerce, Germanize. Now, this list is not exhaustive. Okay, I'm just giving you a summarized list, if you will. But the thing I'm trying to say here is that it's really cool, all the capabilities you have with Woodmart, the main features, okay? And want to quickly talk about I want to go back to the drag and drop header builder. So drag and drop tools are some of the most useful no-code customization tools in the modern world, especially for dropshippers who have no time to actually spend on web design and all the coding, whatever. And even developers take any chance they get to use such a drag and drop tool instead of editing code. So, Woodmart's header layout editing tool lets you easily customize your header any way you see fit. Best of all, there is no coding, and it all takes you about 3 to 4 minutes to obtain the perfect header for your store. So this is kind of good. Another feature we love is the SEO optimization. Search engine optimization is kind of important for your dropshipping business, right? I mean, you're trying to really draw organic traffic. And so you got to have a strong foundation in terms of your search engine optimization, so you can have organic traffic being sent to you by Google, Bing, Yahoo search, and so on and so forth. And so we love that a lot. We love that Woodmart has a built-in capabilities that can actually help you boost the SEO of your dropshipping business. We also love the fact that Woodmart is pretty responsive. We love that a lot. And so whether you're checking the website on any device, doesn't really matter. Any device, any size, whatever, people will be comfortable engaging with your content and hopefully buying from your store. And so what I love about this Woodmart WordPress theme review is that we're really going deep. We're going granular. And one aspect of that granularity is to talk about, for instance, the built-in mega menu. So when you think about Woodmart WordPress, the menu is an important part, okay? Because the Woodmart engineers, the developers behind the Woodmart WordPress theme have acknowledged that the menu is an important part of an online store, especially a dropshipping store, so that, because visitors want to quickly navigate the site. And so even if you're building a one-product dropshipping store, it's still important to have a menu that lets customers quickly jump from one page to another. And Woodmart's built-in mega menu lets you have full freedom over customizing it, so you can include or exclude any page that you want. You can change names, switch up the order, decide where to place it, and so on and so forth. And you also have blog pages. This is really good. So if you want to reach more organic traffic and increase the number of visitors to your store, blogs are a great way to advertise your dropshipping store for free, right? Because really, if you really think about it, this is just organic, purely organic traffic. No need to spend money on PPC or on Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, social media ads in general, right? You're getting traffic organically. So with a Woodmart theme, you can create 9 different types of blog pages and 9 different single post types. So it's up to you to choose how your blogs look and customize them any way you wish. We also love another feature that we like. It's just fantastic. It's actually the Retina Ready feature. Okay, so the Retina Ready feature allows your store to display stunning, high-quality images while still maintaining excellent load speeds. That's what we love a lot. We love the fact that you're able to engage with your clients, but also pay attention to things like elements that impact the customer experience, the CX, right? So you want to have engaging content, visually appealing content, but still maintaining the right balance with CX. So as you might know, image quality is crucial, especially when it comes to product photos for e-commerce stores, especially dropshipping stores. So regardless of the device your customers are using, your Woodmart e-commerce WordPress theme will make your store and all its graphics look exceptional. And we also love the fact that in Woodmart, you have Ajax technology. So Ajax allows your store to operate smoothly and not reload every time a customer updates a filter, changes the product category, or does a similar action. So it may be a simple feature on the outside, but it's extremely important for an amazing customer experience. So CX for us is really important if you want to draw customers in and really retain their I would say their patronage. You also have cross-browser compatibility. So basically, Woodmart allows your online store to be perfect, whether a visitor is actually looking at the website from Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Edge, or Opera. In terms of customer support, fantastic too. So what we love about Woodmart is that basically this WordPress theme does come with excellent support. So here is what you get after purchasing and installing the theme. You have fast responses after contacting support, assistance with third-party assets, help to fix bugs or issues that you may have found, lifetime updates. You also have Extemos support for 6 full months, quality checks by Envato. You will not get the following though. You will not get help with installation by a real person. You have to do this yourself, or any assistance with customizing your site. So it's one of those things. If you can't do it yourself, then you have to maybe hire someone. But it's just, I can guarantee you, even if you hire someone, you wouldn't have to pay a lot. That you will have to pay less than you had that you would have paid if you had hired someone. Okay, so if you had hired like let's say a designer, like a coding designer, to do some coding for you for your website. I also want to mention the fact that when you have a Woodmart WordPress theme, in this review, I want to mention the WordPress compatibility. So imagine buying a fresh WordPress theme only to find out that the creator stopped updating it all of a sudden. So you'll be quickly left with a worthless theme, and after more and more new WordPress versions come out, right? Well, you'll be glad to hear that Woodmart gets frequent updates. And so this theme is compatible with the latest version of WordPress, and updates may get postponed from time to time, but it's always, there when you need it eventually. So this is kind of good. And what we love also with Woodmart is that we love the multi-language support. So as of the time of this show, the theme supports 13 to 15 languages, including English, Dutch, Russian, Greek, French, Italian, Turkish, Spanish, Ukrainian, German, Bengali, Persian, Hungarian. So this is kind of cool. So one thing I want to see here is that this international orientation is kind of cool, because if you have a dropshipping business that covers multiple geographies, you'll be glad that you are able to communicate, in different languages. Like you can be based in the States, but your dropshipping store can actually, can cover many countries, including France, Germany, Australia. I mean, non-English speaking countries, like, you can cover like Spain, for instance. You can cover Brazil. So to have that ability to contact customer support in those languages is kind of important. It's kind of I would say it's a nice to have. It's really good. Even if you didn't have it, your store wouldn't suffer that much. But the fact that you have it is a nice bonus. One thing I want to say in general here is that if you want to you want to do your homework first. I mean, Woodmart is the team is pretty available, but if you don't do your homework first, you are going to ask answers. You're going to ask questions, and they will refer you to their FAQ. Like basically, if the answers are already on their FAQ or whatever, they'll just refer you to that FAQ. So it's just better for you to do your homework first and be sure that you are asking questions for which you have found no answers. So this is kind of important, because Yeah, I mean they're really busy like they're really busy, and sometimes they'll get back to you pretty fast, but sometimes based on the backlog of requests, they might actually they might get back to you within 24 hours. So it's one of those things you have to be aware of that. Let me talk to you about pricing. You can see on the screen here. Here is the pricing for Woodmart theme price. So you actually have there are two types of licenses you can buy for the Woodmart e-commerce WordPress theme. The theme is not free, but it is relatively affordable compared to many other premium themes. So you have the regular license, $59, and then you have the extended license that will cost you about $4,000. So if you want, you can also get extended support for 12 months. In that case, your total will end up being $77. So the support for the $59 plan is for 6 months only. And what about Woodmart installation? Well, as I said, it's very easy. I think I said this before. It's very easy. Even if you're new to, well, let's say, using WordPress themes, you will love Woodmart because it has a very simple installation wizard. It helps you set up your new e-commerce website in just a few clicks with step-by-step instructions along the way. You also get access to detailed instructions and tutorials on how to edit the theme setting, the theme settings, how to make adjustments, and so on. It's very safe to say that this theme is super easy to get up and running. So in terms of a user experience, UX and UI, fantastic choice. Okay, and the demo we have seen, the Woodmart demo we have seen are also great. But as I said, make sure that you actually test out a demo first before you actually buy the real thing. Okay, so what is our verdict? Overall, we would recommend Woodmart theme 100%. I mean, it's a definitely a recommendation. It's a strong recommendation. It's a great product that will actually help your Shopify store, your BigCommerce store, your WooCommerce store, whatever dropshipping store you have. Either you do it through WordPress or you use a third-party plugin or add-on, but you are able to actually have, in the end, a fascinating store that will not only increase customer retention, but also will increase revenue. Because that's what we want, like all those fancy things that we're doing as dropshippers. The bottom line is we want to sell more. That's all. So Woodmart can actually help you do that. And we really love the fact that you can customize a lot of things. As I said before, you have insane, crazy customization. It's just amazing what is possible with Woodmart. It's just amazing and fantastic. We're really happy. They've done a great job at Woodmart, and right now it's just so the drag and drop will really help you a lot. But before you do anything, just make sure you've done your homework. Okay, the tool looks gorgeous on all devices, has excellent load speeds, and definitely feels like a premium theme. So make sure that you do your homework, and everything should be fine.